Helena wants to help you open your birthday presents.
Another one!
Yay, who's that?
Well, Cinderella.
Neat.
I don't need that many.
You don't need 3? Well, you need at least 2. One for. Hey, where are you going with her present, Helena?
Where are you going with my new book?
How do you know it's a book?
Because I got it. It's the same book I had!
That's not even anything. That's just from your meal. All right, eat. Isn't really a gift.
Time over my other. Oh no. I gotta take these stickers off first or whack it. Well, I'm not sure I can. Let's take these stickers.
You probably just open the card without taking the stickers off.
Yeah, but it's gonna pleasant.
Do you need help?
No.
Because Helena's here to help you. Yes, there's a hole in it.
It's just a plain card.
Well, yeah, it's a card. Who's it from?
It's just a plain card.
It's from Grandma Voris.
Grandma Worse is my grandma.
Or great-grandma.
Yeah,
That
that's
present's from her. Do you want to open the present now?
No.
That right there on the floor. The one that Helena grabbed.
Oh yes, I would like to open this. This one might be like I'm not sure. How do we open it?
Here. Pull this down. Pull that down. Paper. Good job, Lila.
It's really too big. I can whack it fast.